cook. But before we even cook, make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so you never miss any video. But before you even cook, make sure you have a parent with you. Come say hi, Mama.
Hi.
So, let's get started. First up, I'm gonna crack the eggs. And I'm gonna make an omelet sandwich, guys. So, it's gonna be so fun. I added 2 eggs to this. Next up, I'm gonna put some salt. Oh, first up, we're gonna whisk it. Now we scramble a little bit. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some salt. This is the salt that my mom uses. And this is seasoned salt. We use this all the time. My mom loves this. And we're gonna add a little bit of lime. So let's get started. Let's put it in. Okay, I'm done adding that. Let's add a little bit of lime. Okay, this is enough. Now let's whisk it some more, a little bit more. By the way, my mom always adds lime. It's like her on island. She always will use it because you guys were in Haiti, so we love the Haiti. I love the beaches there. I love the palm trees and the mountains. It's so beautiful there. Okay. Make sure you put your egg on 2.4 so it can cook. Oh, and my mom put some oil on the pan so I can cook the thing. Okay, while that's cooking, let me toast the eggs now. The bread. So while that's in the toaster, let me tell you something and why the eggs are cooking. I have these pots that my mom ordered online for me so I can cook. This is my specialty. I always like making them. So, and my mom has a set of oil because we don't drink alcohol, so we use oil. This one is olive oil, vegetable oil, and avocado oil, and this is vegetable oil. So we are gonna, oh, the bread is ready. So let's get it out. Now let's wait for the eggs to cook. the tip. So this tip is don't put the handle in front of you or else you'll get burned and then it will yank like this everywhere. The egg will go everywhere. So always keep it on the side and always keep your hand as on the stove as on the handle as hard as you can so it doesn't move while you're mixing the eggs. Okay, let's see how the eggs are doing now. This is my thing. The first time I know how to make eggs, I was super good at it. Everybody loved it. Everybody had been eating it for like 2 minutes, and by the time they were done, oh my God, they were done. So this is my specialty. I love it. I love to cook with my mom. So that's why this is my specialty. By the way, you know, I'm just so happy that I get to cook on YouTube. It's just like, it's very hard work. I just appreciate you guys for the subscribers and all the views. I love you guys so much. Yes, so, and comment down below, what's your favorite food? I'm a foodie. I would take anything except for like avocado, onions, or garlic. I love everything else than those 4 things. Okay, this may take a few minutes. So, guys, while you're cooking, make sure you go front to back. No, like this way, then to the front. So give it some time to cook with a very, very low temperature. See, it's starting to get together. It's starting to get together. Guys, while you're doing this, you should always have a parent watching. If your parent went somewhere and you really, really want to make eggs and you're very hungry, wait for them so when they come home, you can make it. Starting to get together, you guys. Oh my God. Okay, now we're done with that. We are gonna put the oven, the stove on heat. So we'll just give it some time to rest a little bit, cool off, and then we'll start doing that and put it on the eggs on the bread. So this may take a few minutes, so we'll check on you later. I have my little friend. She's my friend, and her name is Butterfly. I love her so much. Okay, let's flip it. First step, you go like this. Flatten the egg so it can get more crispy. You know what? Like if you don't want it crispy, that's okay. You can just put it on the bread. I like it crispy, so I do that. If you guys like it crispy, comment down below if you do or you don't. Okay, that's enough. Now we put them on the bread. This is my bread. And I'm gonna put it right here so I can put it on. If it falls a little bit, that's okay. Put it on the other side of the bread. The other part of the bread. Okay, when you're done putting it on the bread, go to a place, relax, and eat. So guys, I'm done with my meal, but I have to eat it. That's the only thing. So let's put some ketchup. I love putting ketchup on my oatmeals, and I like to cut it. So, and always have a parent watching you when you're cutting with a knife. Little more ketchup. Oh, that was a big one. Sorry guys, that was just my mom's phone. Okay, let's eat. Guys, this is the end of the video. Enjoy your breakfast. Be kind, love God, and be beautiful. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video.